Okay, so you remember the other day I put this 60 CFM upgrade fan in, and well, it's a lot better than the old one. That new motor that they put on it, boom, instantly. The other day I got down to like -5 and it was off all night, so it was really cold because a little draft gets back in even though there's like two flaps. So here's what, yes, I did put tape all around it because the vent, it goes this way, so the vent is like right here. So air was coming out of there, and then air was coming out of here. So I literally just taped everything because I don't want blowback. So I'm gonna flip the switch. 1, 2, 3. Instantly. Sounds a lot better. And watch this. A Kleenex. And the door's open to let more airflow in. Watch. Look at this. Look at the Kleenex. And when I go outside to the outside vent, it blows a lot more air. Oh yeah. So this is the new style. Okay. I'm gonna shut it off. That's the same fan, but the old style. 60 CFM. And of course I put that tape there because it goes out right there. And I taped out the whole thing. But this motor is massive and it gets extremely freaking hot for a small ass fan, and it takes forever to speed up. And so yeah, let's listen. It's a lot slower though as well. And the model, I mean, this fan is still undersized for this larger room. It should be like 150 CFM because we got the dryer, right? And it gets hot in here. And the washer, the smell and the heat. So, yeah. I mean, also listen to it too. Right? I'll let you listen to it too. Wrong one, wrong switch. Okay. Much better tone. Alright, that's it for now. Peace.